Alright, what a match that was.
Yeah, you're also picking up a really big win over Lewis. But I'm just shocked over Robert's action.
Yeah.
I
know that together, but Jesus Christ, that was brutal. But anyway, let's get on with this match. The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from Kingston, Jamaica, weighing in at 267 pounds. He is Colten Maverick. One of our most, I guess, legendary veterans. Trained on Russell Hughes. As most people already know, but still. I've also heard rumours that he's probably going to be joining Mark and Bougie at retiring at Countdown. But that's only rumours.
Yeah.
But his opponent's going to be one hell of a fight. It's going to be one hell of a fight.
Definitely.
Yep. And his opponent from Wellington, New Zealand, weighing in at 313 pounds. He is Tane. Bit of a massive change this season than last time. He ditched the whole, like, I guess, stereotypical gimmick and something more. Yeah.
Yep, the crowd stands there.
Yeah. Usually those guys stand down in the back. I think just imagine going against the ring step.
7 people dead in California.
Make it 11. This is one guy you do not want to piss off. I mean, look at that hair, like. Yes. But can Colten knock off Tane? Is the real question on everyone's lips.
11 dead, 9 injured in New York.
Oh no! Did you not even hear what you just did?
No, that's what I meant to do.
What that type of joke?
Exactly.
Colten, Tane up on his shoulders, carrying 300 pounds like it's nothing, and dropping him face first on.
I can't be understood thanks to my microphone. Okay.
Well, decides against it, but gets run to the clutch. The Tane with a big Saito suplex, I think, off the ropes. Oh! Oh! The rain shots. Tane did guard himself, as you saw there. I feel like some of those shots still hurt. Oh my god!
Whoa!
Look at the strength of Colten Maverick!
Damn.
Oh, big elbow. Big shot from Colten. What's he thinking? Another big shot. Colten just raining fire onto Tane, but now putting him against the ropes. More shots. Up the ropes now. Oh, a big collision.
Oh.
Oh, we can see who came up victorious in that.
Definitely.
Colten currently just. Oh no. You have a table.
It's literally awesome.
Colten, moving like again, but you can see Tane's got the guard up. Oh, that last shot broke through.
It seems some of them also hit him in the head.
Oh, what a knee. Into the cover now.
Kick out.
Not even a kick out, one.
Jesus. What a beast.
Smashing Tane's face into the top turnbuckle. This match has been all Colten Maverick from start.
He definitely has.
Tamatonga will be proud of those stops. Colten is just waiting for Tane to get out. Oh! Big elbow from the Kiwi.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh! Big stomp. Now looking to. Oh, camel clutch! Oh!
He's getting revenge.
Yeah. Unprotected shots to the head, but Tane's up. Oh! I've just got news that our other commentators just entered the venue. Oh my god!
I'm running down. Oh my God, Trevor got a nightmare.
You missed
Bad way back.
Lewis getting it out to backstage.
Yeah. Robert.
Oh my God.
Fucking Robert Winters. Oh my God!
Jesus Christ. Yeah, it was Robert
How the
Winters.
hell did he have that much? How did he have that? Did he have that fight? Oh my God.
Oh! Into the cover now.
Covering it. 1, 2, 3.
What are you on about? This guy is probably high.
What are you on
I
about?
did.
Colten.
Definitely was in the bar for a bit.
Oh!
The punches have just got to him. He's bleeding.
Oh God.
no.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at the power of Colten Maverick.
Thought he was gonna go for powerbomb on that.
Yeah. Oh, catches a kick.
Oh!
But Colten's back up immediately.
Oh my God, he's caught him
flying it
into
up.
it.
Maori plunge connects.
Aiden was
that has
vocal
to
would
be
be
it.
proud.
One,
two.
two,
Oh.
kick up from Colten.
Holy moly. Is that it?
Here comes a big combination from Manatali, but no, a hip toss.
Look at the size of Colten Maverick. I didn't believe
Yeah,
it.
my guy's six. The guy's 6'4".
Yeah,
Oh, what a knee!
knocking him out with that knee.
Nope, he's still up. He's cooking here.
Oh,
What a time he's cooking here.
oh, what an elbow! And then just
jumped out
knocked
of
him out.
nowhere.
1, 2, kick out from Colten.
Oh my God.
What an elbow! I did not know he had it in him. Turn around, Maladane. Oh! And into the chair! Oh, he got sledgehammer.
Sledgehammer. Everybody get out of the way. Sledgehammer's in the way. Never mind.
Oh shit.
Oh, look at that! Clips his head!
Ow.
But Paul landed
that's a
right on
hard
that
fall.
steel chair as well.
He still did
That was a
whole thing
hard
struggle.
Yeah, no skip shit up.
This is real graphs. AW, you better watch
Yeah.
out.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh,
What a suplex! On the
Not a
floor,
very good
both
one.
men are... Oh no, I was going to say both men are down, but no. Coming back to his feet already. Big stomp to the back.
Oh.
Just talking the neck of Manatane now.
That must hurt.
Oh.
Oh, onto the floor. Oh no, he's just soaking it. He's just soaking him, y'all.
There's a raining
Just a
shots
yawn.
down. We're not American. You are English!
Ow. Oh,
Raining
oh.
right to the knee!
Oh
He's not going to be able to
Oh,
lift
he's
him
going
out of his
crazy.
nodding if he had
Colten trying to hear the crowd's adulation, wanting the crowd to be hyped.
Into the ring goes Manatane.
Colten
The ring he
has
gets
him
on.
perfect, but no, decides against it.
no. He wants to hear something else.
Oh, what a shot with the forearm.
Oh.
Oh!
What a knee.
Colten, oh no. Colten!
What's he gonna hit?
Colten! Oh, what a senton! Manatane into the corner.
Oh no.
Colten.
He's gonna go
Oh,
run.
no.
Stamina.
He's not stamina.
Oh,
He's
wow.
again.
He's
One heel.
trying to
One
ignore.
heel.
He's trying to get
He knows he doesn't have the stamina to do it, but gave Manatane enough time to recover. Oh my God! On the sledgehammer!
That has to be it.
1, 2. No!
My
Manatane
God.
kicks now! Oh, look at the punishing even more!
That could be it. He has to be it.
Oh my God! I'll go down in the socket.
Perfect.
Manatane
Cold-
can build the move.
Oh no! Oh! Shoving him away! Manatane! Off the ropes! Oh! What a power slam!
Straight to Manatane's intent.
Dang it! Oh! What a clothesline! McCowan's up!
He hulked up.
McCowan elbow tie up now. McCowan ends up victorious in it.
He just hulked up.
Oh! And then Manatane face first into the corner.
Oh.
Oh! What an elbow! Oh my God!
Oh no.
Oh my
I thought he was
God!
gonna slam him on the table.
Yeah, dude, you could have done something amazing, but oh. no. Now Manatane looking to punish Colten! No, he's bleeding! Both men are busted open! Oh, what a shot to the midsection! With the barbed wire, but Manatane just taking every shot as it comes! But eventually Giants fall. Colten's given up all of... Oh. Oh, and he's just rolling on the barbed wire. He has no regard for his own safety.
He just wants
King
to
of the
win.
barbed wire back from the barb.
You could be out of this thing, yeah.
Yeah, this could be it. I wouldn't blame Manatane for not kicking out. 1, 2. Kick out! And onto the, and he throws Colten onto the barbed wire back.
Ow.
Where the hell is he kicking
Jesus
out all the
Christ.
time?
Elbow.
Big elbow. Manatane rolling to the rope.
Right now.
Oh, and now he goes.
He needs to take this action out of the ring.
Colten. Oh,
my
big
God.
back suplex.
What a match we're still having.
It's amazing.
Oh,
Colten's fired up.
Oh.
On the outside.
Hit the knee.
He doesn't want to win. He wants to inflict as much damage to Manatane as possible.
These two just want to kill each other.
Oh my god. The ATO is in. Look at fucking Manatane's body.
He doesn't have enough strength.
But he knew, oh no, he got like 2.
Oh, he missed.
Both men staring at each other.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ripcord, Warriors, Shades of Tyson Pinewood.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Jesus, gut-wrench suplex.
The strength this man has is insane.
Decides not to go that way. He doesn't want to take out the table.
Oh, no. They don't
no.
want to kill each other.
No. Oh, he puts it down. Never mind.
Really? You
He says never. He says never mind.
Yeah, crazy. Uh-oh.
Oh, gut first.
Oh my god.
Down to the back now.
Manatane's
Oh, you can hear the thuds.
Manatane needs to hit something.
That's a lead to concussion.
He needs a miracle here.
And into the ring. Colten.
He's up.
No!
And he's grabbing.
Oh god. The adrenaline in Manatane is in full force.
Oh,
Never mind. Wait. No. Colten coming out like a steam train to stop Manatane.
These two just... Jesus Christ, man. Oh, again.
Oh my god, again! Again!
Will
He wants to end this man's career!
They just want to end
He needs
each
to hold him
other.
up. Come on! Oh my god, he needs to hold him up.
The ETO's in! He can't keep him up for long! Both men are drained of their energy!
You need to get him in the ring. Just pin him now at this point. Yup, into the ring. Yeah, he's out cold.
Manatane is lit. Yeah, into the cover. 1, 2, 3. Here is your winner by pinfall, Colten Maverick.
What's up, man?
Jesus Christ! The crowd are questioning him.
I would have
I don't know what. I think Russell might have gone into it, you know?